Welcome to Sara Cooks for You. Today let's make Reshmi Murgh Masala. For this I've used one whole chicken which is about 1 kg, and to this I'm adding about 1 cup of yogurt or curd. And we'll be adding some dry spices. I've used about half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon red chili powder and 2 teaspoons of coriander or dhania powder. We'll be adding these spices to the yogurt along with some chopped coriander leaves, this adds to the lovely taste of the dish, and chopped green chilies, about 3 to 4, you can add according to your taste. 1 teaspoon of salt, we can add more if required. Lemon juice from half a lemon. Cream about 2 teaspoons. Let's mix it together and allow the chicken to marinate for at least 2 hours. If you marinate it overnight, that's excellent. But if you can't, you can marinate it for about 2 hours. Now we'll give it the koila dum. For this, I've made an cup from an aluminium foil, and I've kept heated coal, and to this we'll add a teaspoon of oil or ghee. Close the lid and allow the chicken to get the smoky flavor for about 5 minutes. And then to make the masala, I've chopped about 3 medium-sized onions and we'll fry these onions in some oil. You can also use ghee or butter. We'll fry them till they are light brown in color. We don't want to brown it too much, otherwise the onions will get bitter. And to this I've added about 2 tablespoons of cashew. You can either use whole cashews with about 10, or you can use 2 tablespoons of chopped cashew nuts. Now we'll grind that to a paste and keep it aside. Now I'll take some more oil in a pan and add in the ground onion and cashew paste to this. This is a very simple recipe and it tastes really delicious. Add in a piece of cinnamon, about 2 cloves and about 2 green cardamom. You can add them before the onion paste. Now we'll brown this onion paste for some time. It's already cooked a bit, so it gets done really fast. Once it gets browned, we'll add the entire chicken that we have marinated. We'll cook this chicken along with the onion paste for some time. It's so easy, you just need to marinate the chicken and make the onion paste. It's as simple as that. So we'll allow this chicken to cook for some time. I closed the lid and allowed it to cook for about 15 minutes, and then I am adding garam masala powder, about 1 teaspoon, kasuri methi crushed, about 1.5 tablespoon. Since the chicken is marinated really well, it hardly takes any time to cook, and it also depends on the size of the chicken you're using. So make sure you cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now you can see that the oil has come up. So this means that your gravy is cooked really well. While you cook this dish, there's a lot of spluttering that happens because of the cashew and onion paste. So be careful. And once the gravy is thickened and the oil separates out, you can add water according to the consistency required and allow this chicken to cook for another 2 to 3 minutes, and the Reshmi Murgh Masala is ready to be served.